I'm here at Mary Ann Lane. I thought I would do, instead of doing a long form video, I would do cover a couple of places in Dundee, kind of giving an update to my Changing Dundee video that I did about 4 years ago. So I'll do these individually. I'm down here, as I said, at Mary Ann Lane. The major update is to this area, which is the public graffiti space, is that the area which you can see now, that was where the factory that I featured in a previous video about this place has now obviously been demolished. It must have happened late last year. I hadn't come down here for a few months, partly due to the restrictions, and I came down here and obviously, as you can see, the factory is gone. There's still, as you can see, updating graffiti. Well, that wall that you can see, there are barriers here obviously, so I can't go onto the land. But as you can see, they have some people have been accessing the land and putting some graffiti, some artwork on the wall there. I have actually seen a lady access this land a couple of times. I don't know whether she's anything official to do with it, but a previous attempt to record this, which didn't go well because of the noise, she appeared just after, and anyway, as you can see, they are still updating it. There was a couple that I'll show you that I liked. Well, a couple of them have actually been covered up now, but a couple of the newer ones that I will show you. If I can't get it, I'm going to take photos anyway, but if you can't see it across there, it's very difficult with this GoPro to actually. But you can see one Reckless there in the GTA style. Obviously GTA originated in Dundee. And you can see I like the look of the geisha next to that one as well. I'll take photos of them, but I quite like that one, Reckless and the GTA style and GTA character on there. I also like a couple. One of them that I noticed when I was down here last time is this lady in a veil with a face mask on. I quite like the design of that. You can see her there, face mask on, a veil over. I think it's obviously an anti-mask thing, anti-mask sentiment, which I'm not wearing one right now, but that's only because I'm filming this video. See there, take your freedom back. I took photographs of that one last time I was down here. I quite also like, I'll show you two more because I don't want them. I quite like the transformer. Hopefully you can see that. It's a bit difficult in this light to see, but if you can't see it properly when I review the video, I will put up a photograph. But I quite like the transformer-esque robot as well. I quite like that one when it appeared. Obviously there's a few tags on there, the Psych, and there's a few different ones. And also the other one that I quite like, I'll have to come down here again, it's through the barriers, because some of the barriers are down at the end, but we've seen a couple of people access the land. Women come on the land a couple of times. Literally just I was trying to film it, and not really allowed on there, I don't think. But also, anyway, I quite like the guy on the throne. I quite like a broken throne. I'm not sure obviously what the exact meanings of all of them are, but I quite like that one. It's sitting on a broken throne, and maybe a very something about humanity anyway, whatever the word is. But anyway, I quite like that one. Again, if you can't see them, I'll put up proper photos of them. So before I wrap this up, because I said I want to keep these kind of short, to just you can see again this graffiti continually being updated on down here. This is a public accessible pathway. You can go, as I said, I know I'm not going to go on the land and get close-ups of these, but I've got a good decent lens with me today, so I will zoom in and try and get photos of them, which I know I can do with the lens I've got. But as you can see, there are ones continually, this is continually renewed. There are ones always newer ones being added, being painted over. There was a Bernie Sanders one that sat there. I shall put up a photograph of the Bernie Sanders one because I quite liked it. And you can see again another one, very quickly, that I'll show you that I liked as well, is this cartoonish DC Thompson Beano Dandy kind of character. Quite like that as well. So if you come down here, if you're local, or because Dundee is opening up from basically next week, a lot of the attractions are opening up over the next couple of weeks. I actually quite like that one as well, the lady. That's a new one. I've just seen that today. So if you are in Dundee, or if you're local or you're visiting, certainly during the day, not during the night, but you can come down here and have a look at what's here. I don't know how long, I don't know what the plan is for this land, to be honest. I really don't. I don't know what they're going to be doing, but as I don't know what the plans are with this space. Maybe we'll hear sometime in the future what is going on. I don't know. But anyway, thought I would show you quickly, relatively quickly anyway, a bit of an update to Mary Ann Lane. As everybody, of course, as I've always attempted to make this video, make a lot of noise. But anyway, that's Mary Ann Lane here in Dundee, and another day of sunny Dundee.